Hey everyone, it's Sean from Sean's DIY and Reviews, and today I have a ring light, a different ring light that my wife just picked up, and gonna take a look at this and review this, and I'll put information in the description below about this. If you're new to this channel, on this channel I do a lot of DIY and around the house type of projects, and I share those and how to do those things, whether it be your car or your house, as well as review electronic products like this. So if that's something you're interested in, definitely go ahead and subscribe. And I had done a cell phone ring light, so if you want to see that, also take a look in the description below. Let's get into this video review right here. All right, so here's this ring light. HD-130 is the model number on this, and it's universal, so you can use it for any of the major brands: Canon, Nikon, Pentax, Olympus, and I'm sure others as well. Some information about it over here. Concern in my head is that it's 4 AA batteries. That's definitely a considerable amount of batteries, but hey, you know, we'll take a look and see about that, and let me know what you think. It says obviously there it can be used on a number of different sized lenses, as well as the fact that it does have diffusers. It has a blue, also has orange, and a transparent diffuser. And we're gonna test this out as well. I'm gonna go in a dark room like I did before, no lights on, and just use this ring light on my DSLR and see how it works. But let's unbox this first and see what it looks like. Okay, so I took the plastic off this, and we'll go ahead and open the box up. And it looks like everything's just kind of sitting in there, no specific holders to hold it in any particular place. But this looks like the main control module right here, which almost looks like it definitely has that cold shoe mount right there. That unit itself attaches to the ring light, which you can see about the size of it right here. Has the blue diffuser on it in the box. And this looks like one of your flash kits that you would get with the big flash that goes on the top of your camera, right? An external flash. And then here are the other diffusers right there. The clear one looks a little bit frosted, as you can tell right there. Here's a couple other rings, figure out what those are for. Here is your orange one right there, so those are different colors. And here's your instruction booklet right here. And these pieces here are all the adapters. That would fit to various different size lenses. So to put it on the front of the lens and be able to attach this ring light around the front of your camera, you would have to have the right threading to thread it into the lens. So it gives you a number of different sizes here, 2, 4, 6, 8 different sizes here. So that should cover most applications. Over on the main control unit, you have a couple different buttons, one for each particular item on here, as well as a set and a toggle switch back and forth. As I mentioned, the mount for the top of your camera. Over on this side, there's nothing but this cord coming out to the light. And on this side is where your battery drawer is. And then this pops out here, and you can see that's where 4 batteries would go. All right, so I scrounged around for a few batteries, and clearly the batteries I have aren't fully charged, so you can see right there where it has a battery indicator, which is nice. It also has a little, what looks like almost like the cell phone signal thing there, which allows you to basically tell how strong the light is. So clearly you can kind of lower that with your setting button right there, and raise it as well. And we can look into modes and everything like that. But I think for the moment, I'm just gonna kind of see how it works. And I do like the fact that there's a battery indicator, so you can tell when you're gonna be running out of battery. And I would say probably get rechargeables maybe. Let me know what your thoughts are on that. Okay, so I mounted this on my Nikon D5300. And then in the front, well, I found the particular correct mounting part right here. So we would just put this on here and screw it on. And then I would take the light, and on the side of the ring light, you have these 2 little buttons right here, one on either side. And when you push them in, that retracts these little claws that hold on to it. So you just put the light on there, clamp that on, and now we're gonna try this out. I want to stand in my dark stairwell so you can see how this goes. All right, so I adjusted my settings a little bit and got my ISO at 1000, and we'll go ahead and just take a quick picture in the dark. and I see the ring around the outside of this. So that means that I would imagine that my ring attachment is probably not wide enough. This off, it's simply a matter of just moving from the arrow from close to open. So you'll see, I'll just take a quick picture right here, and it's a little bit dark still. We'll go ahead and take a picture. And as you can see, it looks halfway decent. Now I'll take the same picture, but with the light off, and you'll be able to see, even by my light meter, the difference that you're gonna find in this. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the light off and take the same picture right here without that flash. And as you can see, you can barely tell that I'm there. So it definitely does the job, and it does seem to me like with the white one on, I'm not seeing that reflection. So